Today we're going to take a look at some of the angles in polygons. So I have some different shaped polygons here that I've traced and cut. And I'll trace some more when we finish so that we have some left on the shelf for other people in the classroom to use as well. Now, what I'm going to do, I've got this acute angled triangle. So I'm going to just color in the angles so that we can keep track of these angles. And you can see how I do that with some lines here about the same length. Because I'm wondering what might happen when we add up all these angles. So let me show you how we're going to do that. I'm actually going to rip the angles off. So let's take a look here. If I were to put all these angles together from my triangle, what have I created? That's a straight angle, isn't it? That's a 180 degrees. It's a straight angle. Interesting. Well, I have some more triangles here. Let's see what happens with their angles. That was a different kind of triangle, but look at what happens when we put all their angles together. We made another straight angle. Let's try another one. Let's try this obtuse angled triangle. Do you think it's gonna come out the same way? Let's try it. All right. Oh my goodness. That's another straight angle. Interesting. Well, shall we try some other shapes? I have some quadrilaterals here. Let's see what happens with a quadrilateral. All right, let's try this parallelogram. Those angles make a whole angle, 360 degrees. Well, let's try this quadrilateral. All right, let's put together these angles. See what happens. Oh my goodness, another whole angle. Maybe you'd like to explore with some triangles and quadrilaterals. You've been finding the sums of angles in a triangle and a quadrilateral for a while, so I thought we could explore some other shapes as well. So here I have a hexagon. Let's color in those angles and see what happens. Okay, so we've colored in our angles. Let's rip them out and let's see what happens with a hexagon. All right. Oh, there's one whole angle. And two whole angles. So whole angle equals how many degrees? 360. So the sum of the angles in a hexagon is 360 plus 360. Huh. Maybe you should explore and find the sums of angles in other shapes. You could make a table of the polygon, its number of sides, and the sum of its angles, and we could do some comparison between the polygons and see what the different sums are.